Multiply 144 by 60 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 0. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The first partial product is 0. Now use the tens digit, 6. Start one place to the left. 6 times 4 is 24. Put 4 in this column and carry 2. 6 times 4 plus the carried 2 is 26. Put 6 in this column and carry 2. 6 times 1 plus the carried 2 is 8. The second partial product is 8,640. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 0 plus 0 is 0. In the tens column, 0 plus 4 is 4. In the hundreds column, 0 plus 6 is 6. In the thousands column, bring down 8. The product of the whole numbers is 8,640. So 144 times 60 is 8,640.